Hi guys, I'm back with step 3 on my road to recovery from my recent hair journey setback. In today's video, I'm going back to the basics. It's all about the pre-poo. And not just any pre-poo, I'm talking about the ultimate moisturizing pre-poo for your hair. Now my friend has been telling me to try this pre-poo treatment because it's been working wonders on her hair. And she wasn't lying. So shout out to Selena for putting me on to this treatment. So let's talk about the benefits of aloe vera for your hair. Aloe vera is a succulent plant, which means it retains water by nature. This makes it an excellent and ideal ingredient if you're experiencing dry hair. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It's a great detangler because it has so much slip, and it leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes growth, it thickens hair with regular use, prevents itching on the scalp, and reduces dandruff. So I purchased this aloe leaf from my local farmer's market for just 99 cents. Can you believe that? And I already rinsed it off with cool water. And a special shout out to Natural 85 and Mercy Gono because I'm using a combination of both their videos to make my treatment. I'll put the links to their videos in the description box below. So I started off by taking my knife and cutting off the two end tips of the leaf because this is the part that I want right here. And then I'm just cutting off the sides because this plant has little sharp thorns, and if you're not careful, they'll cut you. Next, I'm just cutting it in half. And then cutting each half down the middle. And there it is, y'all. All that sticky, icky, ooey gooey, that's the Miracle Moisturizer in all of its glory. Now I'm just using a spoon to scoop all of that inner fillet out into a bowl. Now Natural 85 used a knife, and she's better than me because this stuff right here is so daggone slippery. If I used a knife, I would have lost 2 fingers for sure. You see, I'm struggling just using the spoon alone. I let my fingers do the job too. So I just kept scooping and scooping until I got all of the inner fillet out from all 4 pieces. For this next step, I'm using a glass measuring cup and a strainer. And I just set the strainer on top of the cup and pour all of that inner fillet so all of that juice can just soak down into the cup without all of those big chunks. Because I heard that you'll be pulling those chunks out of your hair for days when it dries if you don't do this step. And ain't nobody got time for that. And Mercy Gono used this little hand motion in her video to get all that juice into the cup, and it works. Now the strainer's not going to help me get all of that juice out, so now I'm going to use a knee high. Shout out to all the people that still wear knee highs, including me. Hey, don't judge me. I'm old school. I love knee highs. Ain't nothing wrong with a little knee high. You see, it's coming in handy to squeeze out the rest of this juice. But if you don't have a knee high, you can always use a cheesecloth. So I have about a 1/4 cup of aloe gel in my cup here, and I'm going to add about another 1/4 cup of water to my mixture. Now you can also use aloe vera juice as well. So my aloe vera is ready, and I'm just going to sit this off to the side while I work on my oil mixture. First up, coconut oil. Now you can use any of your favorite oils, but these are 3 of my favorites. Extra virgin olive oil. My hair soaks this stuff up. And the last one is sweet almond oil. So I'm going to add these oils to my plastic applicator bottle. Now, you don't have to do this next step, but I love to heat water up in the microwave, and then I just put my applicator bottle in there so I can melt the oil and warm it up a bit. It just feels really good on the scalp. And then I'm going to pour my aloe mixture into this other applicator bottle. This is going to make it easier to apply to my hair. And now I'm ready to pre-poo. So I'm starting out on 7-day hair that I had in twists, and I just took the twist out, which is why my hair looks like this. And then I'm going to finger part my hair so I can put it into 4 sections. So now that I have it into 4 sections, I'm going to work with this first section in the front. Next, I'm going to take my spray bottle filled with warm water because my hair is low porosity and warm water helps to open up my hair cuticles so this aloe vera treatment can penetrate into my hair strands. And I'm just misting my hair. I'm not getting it soaking wet. Now I'm going to take my aloe vera gel and just apply it to my scalp. This nozzle makes it easier to control, and then I'm just going to massage it into my scalp using my fingers. And I put this towel around my neck because this can get messy. The aloe vera feels so soothing on my scalp. Pre-pooing your hair helps to prepare it for the shampoo process. It makes it easier to detangle your hair, which saves you a lot of time and frustration. It adds moisture and promotes softer, more vibrant hair. Now, you don't have to pre-poo your hair, but it really does help when your hair is fragile and in need of some extra TLC. So I keep applying the aloe vera gel to my scalp and massage it in until all 4 sections are done. Then I spray a little more water on my hair, especially the ends, because next I'm going in with my oil mixture. So here's my oil, and I'm going to apply it to my scalp just like I did with the aloe vera gel. And because I warmed it up, it feels really, really good on my scalp. And I pay special attention to the ends of my hair because they're the reason why I'm on this road to recovery in the first place. After I applied the oil to my scalp and hair, I use my wide tooth comb to lightly detangle because it's so much easier to shampoo your hair when it's already detangled. And to stimulate my scalp even more, I have this battery-operated scalp massager. I bought it about 4 years ago, and I don't know why I stopped using it because it's a really great tool. Not only is it relaxing, but it also helps to boost endorphin levels, otherwise known as the happiness hormones, and I can always use some happiness. So I used that on my scalp for about 5 minutes, and now I'm just going to put my hair back into 4 twists. And tuck my hair under this plastic cap. And then put my hot head cap on top of that. I heated it up in the microwave, and it will continue to produce heat for about 20 to 45 minutes. I love this thing. It's like a sauna just for your head, and it's perfect for deep conditioning if you don't have a hooded dryer or you don't feel like sitting under a hooded dryer. You can walk around the house and do whatever you like with this thing on. So I'm going to leave it on my hair for 30 minutes and then shampoo my hair, and then I'll be back. And I'm back. I just finished shampooing and rinsing out my hair, and baby, that aloe vera treatment is the truth. My hair feels so soft and moisturized. It is amazing. And this is before I deep condition. My hair is clean and it doesn't feel stripped or dry. My hair loved this treatment, so this is going to be my new go-to pre-poo routine from now on. So once again, shout out to my girl Selena for putting me on to this treatment. You were right, this is everything. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and then click the notification bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.